Hello friends, in this video you will learn about input attributes in HTML. Here is some important attributes list is there. See this: value, read only, disable, size, min, max and max length, autofocus, autocomplete, placeholder, height and width. See, you will get the idea one by one. First, value. See this in input text, there is no value. If you want to give some value, for example, like that, then see this value is there. For example, name, this is the value. Then you can edit this value in the form filling. If you want to make this field only for reading purpose, not for writing, then you can use this second attribute, read only. See how it is works. Read only. Then you are unable to change any value. Then third one is disabled, means you are unable to click it or you are unable to use it with the disabled. See, disabled. See this, how it is changing. You are unable to click it and unable to use it. Then size. Default input size is 20 pixel. Then you want to change it with which size you want. See, size 30 pixel. 30. And see this. See this. This change it to 20 to 30. The length is incremented. Others values are up to 20 pixel. Make it 20. It became equal to the other fields. Then comes to the min max and max length. First comes to the max length. Max length about, see this phone number is there. Phone number. It takes a 10 digits. But if you give more than 10, it can accept. But if you want to limit it, only taking 10 digits. That is possible with the max length. See this. Max length 10. See, it can only accept digits and up to 10. After 10 digits, it is not taking any value, any other digits. This is the max length. Then comes to the min and max. You can use min and max in any field, but we are using that min max for birthday. First min value 19, 90, 01, 01. See this, it can take 1992 up to now, because after dates, minimum 1990, then after dates you can take up to now. If you want to limit it, use max up to 200, sorry 2000. See this, this is a date of birth only taken in between 2000 112, 1990 112, 2011. In between dates only we can take. Other dates unable to take. See this, those are blacked like this, min and max. Then comes to the autofocus. Want to focus some field with the autofocus. When you load that page which is autofocus, that is highlighted, that field is highlighted. Make this mail is autofocus. When this is loading this field, this will be autofocus. Autocomplete. Autocomplete means already our browser stores the details, some details. See, no details comes in this email. But if you want to use autocomplete, if your browser having some previous stored details, that will be appears in this email field. When you're clicking this email field, the previous details will comes with the autocomplete. You can on and off. See, autocomplete on. Autocomplete is on. Now no value is showing, but you are trying your browser, that will be happen autocomplete. Then placeholder. See, there is no value. If you want to give some value for idea, you can give it with placeholder. Placeholder. See, this is some example for email. You need to fill this black like this. This is the placeholder. Then comes to the height and width. In this, I'm using two images for submit and reset. Those images are like this: images submit.png, images reset.png. Type is image. With this image, you can use creating these two buttons. See, if I am not giving this, the default sizes is showing. This is 30 pixel height and 90 pixel width defaultly. If you want to change it with height, see this. Height is 20 pixel and width is 40 pixel. Then see how it is looks. Make it default values 30 pixel. Then it is increase it like default. Make it 90. Then become like this. Two buttons, height and width. It is good to give height and width for images. This is the explanation about input attributes, some important input attributes in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.